No.
Silly girl.
Didn't you tell Grandma can't get me?
You can't get me.
Yeah. She did. She's Kiki girl. She's cute.
Come down the stairs. What's your problem? Who are you hiding from?
Grandma.
You're hiding from Grandma?
Yeah.
Why? Because she's gonna get you? Come here. Come here. What were you hiding from?
Grandma.
Why?
Good.
Because why?
Good.
What is great grandma doing?
Play with me.
She's playing with you? Was she chasing you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, little girl. Come on. Come on.
Great grandma's talking to you.
Come on. Come on, little girl. Yeah.
Is that in your mouth?
Yeah.
And great grandma chased you up the stairs?
Yeah.
Is that funny?
Yeah.
Yeah? You and great grandma are silly together. Huh? No? You're just having fun?
You're looking at Grandma?
I'm looking at you. Kaden and her great grandma and her Nana. Love you.
Love you too.